Students, the topic is associative property of intersection of three sets. Now if there are any three sets A, B and C, then we can find A intersection into B intersection C is equals to A intersection B into intersection C. Now for solution, we will solve a question from exercise 1.4 page number 14, question number 3 part number 1. We are given three sets, set S, T and U, and we have to verify that S intersection into T intersection U is equals to S intersection T into intersection U. Now for that we will first solve left hand side, and for left hand side we will first draw ladders for showing elements of three sets, and here we will find and connect the common elements of the three sets. We can see that 1 is the element which is common among the three sets. 1 plus 1 is present in all three sets. Here students, one more thing you can see, that set U is consisting of elements 0, plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. So here when I write in the ladder, I have separated them as positive and negative numbers, 0, plus 1, plus 2 and then minus 1, minus 2. Now in here down we will draw Venn diagram, and here you can see set S, T and U have drawn. Now here you have to write down the common elements. As there is no common element between S and T, so except only 1, so this portion will be empty between S and T, this common portion, but here you can see 1 is there which is common in all three sets. Then we will see what is common between T and U. There is nothing else common between T and U except 1. Now come to S and U sets. Here between S and U sets we can find minus 2 and minus 2 is common, minus 1 is common, 0 and 0 is also here. So all these elements which are common between S and U set will go into this intersection part, 0, minus 1, minus 2. And this one you can see here, I have shown it here in this way. This will be shown 1 which is common in three sets here in this intersectional part. Now we will solve the first step, which is the bracket part, T intersection U. Now we will find T intersection U, and only you can see that 1 is common, so we will take 1 as common between these two sets. For second step we will also take the intersection of S, so it will be written S intersection into T intersection U, and we will write S set first and then we will write the T intersection U set here, and then among these two sets we have only 1 which is common, so this will be the answer. For coloring, we can see that for the first step, T intersection U, we have colored this orange shades, and it is showing only one element which is common, and you can see here also. And then for the second step, when we add S set also, and we will do the double coloring, double shading by showing with the green color, it will be S. So in this portion which is highlighted here, we can see that double coloring is here by two colors, and in this way we will prove this. Now students, we will solve the right hand side, and for right hand side we have S intersection T into intersection U. We'll draw same diagram again, showing set S, T and U and putting all the elements. And then first step is the bracket part, S intersection T. So it will be solved first, and you can see that we have, for this S intersection T, we have only one common element, which is 1. It will go here, and for that we'll make a key and show the coloring. S intersection T, this intersection part will be colored as it is also shown here, only having one element in this central portion, so it will be shown. Now for the second step, we will write S intersection T into intersection U, writing the S intersection T set element, then intersection sign, and then U set, and answer will be definitely the common element, which is only 1, will be written here. So as we have both left hand side and right hand side's answer same, so we will write, therefore S intersection into T intersection U is equals to S intersection T into intersection U, which is proved. So we have proved associative property of intersection of 3 sets. So in this way you will practice this sum, and then you will be given homework sum. Thank you.